Hi, my name is Tasawwur Ali, and I welcome you to the Learning Management System of Daud Family Thaqaful Limited. Our third video is about performance planning and control, where the content is based on the input of our visionary CEO, Mr. Ghazanfarul Islam, whose marketing and sales planning has in fact turned Daud Family Thaqaful Limited into one of the fastest growing and profitable brands in Pakistan. Dear viewers, as team leader or manager, when you have recruited your team of superstars, then it's imperative to have your performance planning and management program in place. As Chet Holmes says, mastery in anything is not about doing 4,000 different things, but doing the same 12 things 4,000 times. Performance planning is about effective goal setting and controlling the effectiveness of your results. The first part, ultimate attitude and focus. According to the ultimate sales machine mindset, performance planning is not just simply about writing your goals down periodically, although that is a part of it, but it is about mastering your ultimate attitude and focus on your results so that achieving of those results become quick and automatic. Talking about the power of perception and attitude, Chet Holmes refers to the reticular activating system or RAS and tells that how we can harness its power to create success in all major areas of our life. Your positive attitude and focus on desirable results will allow your subconscious mind to awaken and create outstanding improvements on every front. Your reticular activating system will tune out every negativity and will reinforce your perception with visual affirmations. You will simply feel success to be more possible than ever. For this, the whole team needs 1 hour every week to focus on finding solutions and improving the business, resulting in the solutions appearing more frequently and business improving rapidly. The second stage is to know about your everyday task and affirmations. As I mentioned in the first video of the series, we need to write down up to 6 of our daily tasks at maximum. We also need to have our affirmations read out loudly to ourselves. The best time for our team to repeat the affirmations in the morning time. Our affirmations may sound like, I love to call my prospects in the morning, or I love to have 3 needs analysis in a day, or my clients believe my solutions to be the best for them and their family, and so on. The third stage is the use of the goal setting toolkit. I encourage you to use the goal setting toolkit by downloading the PDF from the Learning Management System of Daud Family Thaqaful Limited. You can use it as a group activity where you can get your leaders to be your accountability partners, or you can use it yourself individually. Dear viewers, having a clear destination in mind, along with the arrangement of best possible resources to reach your destination, the most important variable of the controlling factor of your results is time. As the maxim goes, a stitch in time saves 9. Thank you once again for viewing this video. Tune in again for our 4th video, which will focus on the sales skills. Thank you and see you soon.